Hello everybody, I'm Miguel! Hey! Avram Tak! Today I have a great new video for you guys because I wanted to kind of sit down and have a serious discussion with you guys. I wanted to talk about doorknobs. That is right, guys. I wanted to sit down and talk about doorknobs because I feel like that my entire life has led up to this moment. My journey becoming a man has led up to this moment, guys. So here we go. Doorknobs. But before I start, I just want to say I have a little bit of suspicion here, guys. I'm suspicious, guys. I have some predictions of what I might be seeing here. I have not looked at any of the pictures on the screen yet, guys. My face is towards the keyboard, guys. I'm thinking I will see a lot of Alpine in Dunderland talking doorknobs, guys. Remember that? The talking doorknob from Alpine and Dunderland? And circle doorknobs, even SpongeBob SquarePants doorknobs, guys. And of course, Bushcrafter Dylan doorknobs, but that's not as common as SpongeBob. But here we go, guys. Oh! I just looked at the screen, guys, and I'm surprised. 1 second. What? I had to get it out, guys. This would be a great evaluation. So here we go. Starting with number one, we have the hyper tough keyed entry doorknob, guys. Now I am not very pleased with this one, guys. I'm not a big fan of this one. I think that it's mostly the shape, guys. It's mostly the shape. Let me grab some water real quick, guys. Whoa! Guys, that was crazy. Well, here we go. I do not like the shape of this one at all, guys. I feel like it's just a little bit too stiff for me, guys. I like a lot of rounded edges, guys. Some rounded curves, guys. This one, it seems just way too stiff. I guess like old Mari stiff arm, guys. That's what it is. The key in the middle, guys, or the key lock in the middle is not doing it for me this time. And I feel like the entire physique of this model is just off, guys. I'm not a big fan, but the next one, I like this one, not only because it's classic, guys, but because it is just very satisfying. I love the circle physique, guys, the circle model of this one, and it is a interesting color of silver, guys. The first one is quite normal with the silver color, but this one has a tint of yellow, guys. Very interesting. It's like a mix of gold and silver, guys. Is like put it into a cauldron, mix it up with a spoon, and eat it, and then get knocked out because you're not supposed to eat that. But guys, it is a very good model. Not the best, but very good. Now this one is going to be very high on my list because it shows the door mechanics, guys. It shows the mechanics of the door here. Not only is it golden, it has the rounded edges that I like, and I like the dip in the middle. It's like the Grand Canyon, guys, with a big hole in the middle, guys. But the hole is kind of annoying, not going to lie, but that's fine. I like the shiny gold, guys, and I like the handle bit here, guys, with the black entry. And we have the mechanics, guys. I love this one because of the mechanics. This is a very common one. It is quite like this one, but with the base is quite different. But there is a big old lock on it, guys. So I do like the ones with the locks, but I like the ones without the locks too. So it's very weird, guys. Now this one I'm not too fond of, mostly because I think that it's just way too dark of a shade, guys. There's not a lot going on to it or with it, guys. It seems to be a little bit shallow, I guess you can say. I like the hole there, the key lock hole, I guess that's what it is, guys, but a little bit too dark for me, and I feel like it's just not busy enough. This one is quite good. Too simple for me, guys. Now this one is a little bit like this one, but the lock is different. Um, As you can see, it's a darker color. I like this one. And this one is way too simple for me, guys. I like a mixture of simple and complex to make the perfect signature look, guys. The Defiant Saturn. This is very, very defiant, guys, because I do not like this one at all. I like the lock in the middle. It's classic. You can unlock it with the coin, guys. But the silver color is way too, I guess, not silvery enough, guys. It's too gray, I guess you can say. That's right, guys. So we're gonna leave that one there. This one is very smooth. I can't really get a good look at the handle, guys. But it is quite simple. But definitely more silvery than this one. That's right. More silver, guys. And this one, I like this one a lot because not only is it gold, it has a great design at the base and a great design at the handle, guys, and the middle part, like the where you hold the sword, guys. In Minecraft, you hold the sword. It's like that, guys. I like the lock in the middle. It is not too big. It leaves an outside area for the canyon in the middle, guys. This one, I like this one because it's not exactly a circle. It's a flat kind of circle, guys. It's not like this one or this one. I like this one because of the design on the base, guys, the middle, and the outside and the inside, guys. There is no lock, though. And oh, come on, guys. Alpine and Thunderland. How did I know? Look. Oh, it's Alice in Wonderland. Oh, excuse me, guys. Oh, I just wanted to say, by the way, I do not endorse any of these websites, guys, and I do not have any involvement with them whatsoever, guys. I'm just simply checking out Doorknobs. That's right, guys. So what a wild ride, right? So I won't judge these because they're not real doorknobs that you have in a house, guys, but I guess they're pretty good. Now I'm going to skip down here. Oh, okay, guys, we have gone to the door handles, guys. Finally, guys, I will say I'm a bigger fan of doorknobs than door handles, but it's very refreshing to see door handles getting some love here. But I must say I do love doorknobs more, a lot more actually. But here we go. So the first door handle I believe we have here, yes, guys. So we have this door handle. It is a very great little looks like a little leaf, guys, or a what is that Pokemon, guys? I finally said Pokemon right, guys. I've been saying Pokemon for so long, with the Pikachus, guys. But is that a Pokemon or something else that I'm thinking of, guys? With the like, turn this over, turn it green. You have a leaf with a hat or a head thing, guys. What is that? I don't even know. But it looks like that, guys, except it's very matte black. Very good. A little bit shiny. I love the design at the base, guys. A very good handle. I love it, guys. But then we have handles like this one, which I cannot stand. I cannot stand it, guys. It is, first of all, it's too simple with the design. It has like this one too. Look at this. Oh, my eyes! They're burning, guys. Horrible. Okay, I'm sorry to anybody who likes this, guys, but I'm not a big fan. Just because I feel like it's just too. It doesn't strike me very well, guys. I guess that's right. It's too smooth, guys. Too straight. Too just. It's not really got anything to it. It's a simple design. It gets the job done. But I really like these kinds better. Even these kinds, guys, with the handles. I'm more of a just a smooth, not shiny, a rough edged, guys. That's what I'm talking about. My rough edges with a single color like this, guys, with a little bit of shine, with good design. Dang it, guys! I do end the video, then start it back again because my computer ran out of data, guys, or not data. It ran out of charge. I had to plug it in, guys, but now we're guys. It keeps ending, guys. Hopefully this time will be fine. So as I was saying, it's not like this one because it's too shiny. I'm not the big fan of the color with the door handles, guys. But then we have this one. Why does it look like a roller rink, guys? A skateboard park out in the park with the dogs, guys. Why? Even the woofers do not like this one. It's so weird, guys. It's like I can imagine some teenage kid roller skating down this doorknob and then hitting his head on the wall because he can't take it anymore, guys. And I recommend not hitting your head on the wall because that's not good. Do not do that, guys. But some of these things I just do not like very much. This one is too technical, too over the top, guys. Why does anybody need an electric LED illuminated doorknob that can detect what? Can detect you from 7 feet away! Who needs this, guys? I'm a very big fan of classic, before technology took over, doorknobs! I'm a very big fan of the old ones, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just laughing at myself getting mad at doorknobs. And again, no offense to people who love technological doorknobs, guys. There is no offense to you. I just really like the classic stuff because I'm an old soul, guys. 41. Next April, I will be 42, guys. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. A serious subject for me. And thank you for watching, guys. So tell me your thoughts on the doorknobs in the comment section below. I am Miguel. Goodbye. Hey, I am Miguel.